I've powered up the drone, lights are flashing. It's communicating, as you'll see on the GPS. If I turn it, it recognises the direction it's facing in, so it is connected.
Lift it up. Lift it off, I mean. Make it fly.
Yeah, it's not communicating at all. It's connected, as you see the strong blue lights. So it's connected to the drone, to the remote, but doing nothing. Nothing at all. Attempt to go into setting.
We don't need that. It's nothing to do with the settings. The settings on full. Okay, and that thing's flashing that on off. Which
that is just to say where it is. That's this location. It's the front lights.
Okay.
Solid.
Front lights solid. It won't lift.
Connected, but not
doing anything. Yeah. And the damage on the drone itself.
It probably won't start due to the camera not being connected.
Might be.
I'd a guess.
But also there's there's broken bits, aren't there? Yeah. Yeah.
And damage number 3 is
on the
just turn this off. As you see, just on this bit here on the arm, see the joint where my thumb is.
Yeah.
That's
okay.
Very tender.